Hi everybody, it's 11:23 and 30 seconds on May 2nd. This is the mini for detective number 359. As previously explained in the post itself, whoever comes in first place is going to get spots 5, 6, 10, and 11 automatically assigned to them. 5, 6, 10, and 11 in the main, that is, automatically assigned to them. Whoever comes in second place in the mini is automatically going to get assigned spots 18, 19, 20, and 21. And then I'll run the main immediately. Alright, so here we go. Let's do our 3 dice. Number is 10. Good luck, everybody. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and here's the final one, 10. Chris Hibbs gets 5, 6, 10, and 11, and Will Lehman gets 18, 19, 20, and 21. Time is 11:24 and 32 seconds.